everyone, greetings from Delaware. I would like to say today you people will get another excellent update from me. This will make you more confident about my strategy. What I want to tell you, you don't trade every minute with my strategy. Before trade in your real account, you have to wait for the exact time where you can feel confident. When you will feel confident that this time you are not gonna lose, then you can use big lot also. But this will not happen every time. Sometimes you may lose, but what is the thing? Your greed or your emotion should be controlled by yourself. So what I will say, my strategy is not perfect without your controlled emotion, without your controlled decision. So not only me, from the whole world, if you get any best strategy, you must have good money management system, control your greed like this. Anyway, you can see this is my real account, and I am going to make this real account to demo. So here I can get it to demo. Now my account become demo account. I will close the chart. I will make the chart as like it was before. So it will help you to make your chart, and you can set the chart as like me from the beginning. So I am showing you that how to make chart as like my trading style. So as you can see, I can choose candlestick from here. After that, I will need to set Bollinger Bands. It's a default system. And now, as you can see, I have two charts. From here, I need to change my currency pair. From this level, I need to make it to 1 minute chart. So the thing is, now I will set Fibonacci lines at 1 minute chart. This is our another tools which will give us a perfect shot in our trading. Before that, as you can see, we open trade call or put when the market when the 5-second chart touch our higher Bollinger Bands or lower Bollinger Bands. But this time, this Fibonacci tools will give you best execute or execution area. So how we will set Fibonacci? First, you have to know that Fibonacci will be set from lower low to higher high. So see how it can set in any chart. Like right now I have this chart level. You can see this chart level I have right now. So I will select this level at lower low and this area as higher high. So let's see how I set. So as you can see, from this area lower low and this area is higher high, I set my Fibonacci like this. So what I will do, in every chart I can set these kinds of Fibonacci, but on my strategy I will set this chart only on 1 minute. So from this setup I need to wait for the best execution area. So which one is the best execution area? In that case you have to know that this 50% level is a resistance area, then 38.2% level is another resistance area, and this 0% when candle is above this 100%, then this area is a support, and when candle is down this level, then this area can be a resistance level. This 0 is also another resistance point for my setup. So what I will do, if the candle cross 38.2 level or 50 level or 0 level, and in our 5-second chart we also get good reversal candle, then we can go for put. So the fact is, on this video tutorial I will show you two trades on put and on put from resistance level and call from support level. So how I will do this? So let's see. I am going to show you a real trade from the real platform. This platform has no control on myself. This is an independent platform. No one can control this. So I will show you from live trading. Let's see. So this is the level. Now I will wait for the best execution area. Right now the candle is on is above 50 level. So I am waiting for the confirmation on the 5-second chart about the reversal point. So you can see this candle is going to cross 38.2 level. That means this candle is going to break the resistance level. So what I will do, I will wait for the confirmation on 5-second chart about this reversal point or trade trigger area. So let's see. So see the 5-second chart. What's going to happen there? Market is also going up on 5-second chart. And this is the candle. See, this red candle is going to finish within 2 seconds, and this red candle confirming us that this 38.2 level is not going to cross. So let's see what's going to happen, because this 38.2 resistance area, you can see it's already crossed. So anyone can think like this, the market will go more up, but we need to predict for next 30 seconds to 1 minute to make our trade profitable. So what will happen? We need to think for only 30 seconds what is going to happen, or 1 minute what is going to happen. So as per our strategy, the market is going to cross 38.2 level, but in our 5-second chart, this chart will confirm us the exact reversal point. This chart, what is showing us, the candle crossed the Bollinger Bands, higher Bollinger Bands, and the red candle is already creating. We have left 2 seconds. So there is no doubt from my side that this candle is going to reverse. So I have to wait what is going to happen. Let's see what is going to happen on this chart. I place the trade here. and market is showing, market is making panic to our people, to the investors, to the traders, that he will go up because the candle closed above the 38.2 resistance level. And it's going down. We have 30 seconds left and it's going more down and more down. Don't be so excited. Always use money management. Don't use all your money at single trade. Always use money management. We are seeing a good reversal point at this level and we got the right point by our Fibonacci tools. You can see the market is going down and we own the trade, and you can see we place the trade at this level by getting this candle, because the Bollinger Bands cross by the candle and it's also near 38.2 resistance level. We will watch 1 minute chart, of course, but our main confirmation will be given from the 5-second chart. So on the 5-second chart you can see the higher Bollinger Band is already crossed by green candle, but one reversal point here give us the decision to trigger the trade, and we trigger the trade here, and you can see the market goes more and more down. So we are in profit. Okay, let's see. Now we have to find the location for call option. We gave put option on that area. Now we need to wait for the call option. Anyway, so I have to wait. I have to wait till I got the good area. As I told you earlier that when the candle is above 100% level, that means the candle will go down till 100%. I have to wait. I have to wait till the candle touch 100% level. Why I use these Fibonacci tools? As per our previous strategy, when the candle is out from the lower Bollinger Bands, you can see this candle on 5-second chart is out from the lower Bollinger Band. This candle is also out from the lower Bollinger Band, and this candle will give us the indication that we can open a call option here. But in our Fibonacci tools at 1 minute chart, we don't get any kinds of confirmation because the trend is in the middle of 61.8% and 100%, because we have to wait for the exact area. The exact area in my sense is 100% level. If we see this candle, this green candle at 100% area, at 1 minute 100% area, then we can open the trade. So we have to wait till we see the great execution time. Now I am thinking that the market will down till this level. After that we will get chance to open the trade. Right now we will not open any kinds of trade. We have to watch till the market movement and till the market touch at the support level at 1 minute area. And when market touch at support level and we got the confirmation at 5-second chart about the reversal point, then we can trigger the trade. So we are waiting for the exact area. Let's see when it is going to touch the exact area. The binary option trading, actually the trading of finding the good reversal point, nothing else. So what I will say, don't be greedy, don't be in hurry, always keep patience, always wait for the right area, then you can place the trade. Look, I am waiting on a live trade to get the exact area where I can place call option. So I am waiting. The candle is not moving. If candle goes from this level, then I don't care, because the candle is not in my exact area. The area where I can trust, the area is in 100% level. So I am waiting for the candle to touch 100% level, then I will open a call option. So I am waiting. You can see actually the market is not moving fastly, or the volume is very low, so I have to wait more time, and I have no problem at all, because I am a successful trader and I have no hurry on my trade. I have to wait till I get the good chance, and if I get good chance I will use big lot. So last trade we use only $5. This time we will use $50. I already said $50 because I think this is the area where I can put $50. So I am waiting till the candle touch at 100% level at 1 minute chart. Let's see what is going to happen. Yes, it's going down, but we will not trade, we will not open any trade till the candle touch our preferable area. We are waiting for this. I think it will take more time, but no hurry. I want to show you the live trade from my trading system, then you can understand how I trade. Yes, it's already touched 100 level area, and this candle is already going out of Bollinger Bands. Now it's the good time for me to open the trade. I am waiting for a green candle, and the green candle is open already, and I place the trade. Let's see what is going to happen. Check out why I open trade here, because this 1 minute chart, the candle touch 100 level area, and this 5-second chart, the red candle is out of the Bollinger Band, and this 2 green candle is telling me that market will move. Some people or 90% investor will think this market will not stay here, market will go down. I have to think differently. I have to think that the market will reverse, because in 5-second chart this 2 candle is showing me that market can go reverse. So I take the call option here with $50, because I am almost sure about this. It's a promising area where I can put call option. We have near 50 seconds left. Let's see. And yes, it's going up. Let's see, we have till 36 seconds left. I don't know what's going to happen till the end, but as per my strategy, my Fibonacci tools, I think it can go up. It's a promising area, it's a promising trigger area. I think I will win this game, no problem at all for me. And we have 7 seconds left, and the trade is going up, 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 and up. Yes, we win this. Yes, we win this, and I am successful again to show you the best strategy. Trust me, we are seeing lots of bad people on internet, but trust me, you can depend on my strategy. I am making money every day. You can make money every day. Stay under Deluar's team, then you will be a successful trader like me. But you have to promise that you will have patience, and your greed should be controlled by yourself. You have to wait till you get the good chance. So this video can make you a good trader. Don't take it like a fake video or anything. Try more and more at your real demo account, After that, if you think yes, I can place at real account, then you can place this. Right now, as you can see, I already changed my account to real account. I am thinking to show you another trade at my real account. So I am waiting for the area where I can place the trade, because I like to show real trade to all of you. I don't like to show you from demo account, but sometimes I have to use demo account. And this is another reversal time. This is really I think it's really a panic area. Client will be panic on this situation because 100% level is broken already, but I will find the exact reversal point and I already placed the trade. This is really good area. I will place more 1 or 2 trades to secure my position, because the market volume is low. So you can see the market is going more down. So I will place 2 trades here to show you that money management is very essential on your trading. Don't be emotional, don't use full of your money on your trading, then you can lose everything. So we have 23 seconds left. I am already in loss, but I think this trade can be a profitable trade for me, because the Bollinger Bands, the red candle is out of Bollinger Bands, and you can see the green candles are showing our perfect strategy. So we are in profit again. Actually, I don't want to use this trade, but just want to show you that my strategy is working at every area. So that's why I open this green candle. Otherwise, I will never open this trade. So I open this trade to show you that this is my real account and I can make profit on real account also. Anyway, so don't take this last trades as your education. See my other trade which I used by Fibonacci tools, and always try to draw the Fibonacci tools at right times. Don't draw emotionally. You can get lots of Fibonacci tools video on internet, on YouTube, so you can learn from there also, and you can earn good profit from my strategy. That's it for now. I am going to end my conversation for today, and happy trading everyone. Good day.